Welcome back to another video from Java for Beginners course from Course Labs. In the previous video we have seen how to write your first program without using IDE. So in this video we are going to see the same program but using Eclipse IDE. So let's get started. First you need to create Java project. So let's create a Java project here, and the name can be anything that you like. So I'm just making it HelloWorld. Let's click finish. And if you expand this, there is one folder called source src, but currently you don't have any files inside this. So just give a double click on this and create a new class. Right, so the class is going to be mobile. As I have shown you in the previous video, we have used a class name called mobile. Right, currently let's not use this as a public class because that's not required at this moment, but we'll use it when it is required. Now class name is mobile, as we have seen in the previous video, and we also need to have an entry point for this program. So let's give it public static void main, and let's provide one argument, strings. Actually you can make it anything that you like, maybe something like make, or you can make it arguments. It should still work, but people usually keep it as args, so let's do that. And we also need this line to be printed, system.out.println. and if you notice, when I'm just typing print, it is actually Eclipse is suggesting me, hey, are you looking for this println method? Yes. So basically you can select it and you can write some text inside this. So this is basically the beauty of IDE. It will have features like autocomplete. So whenever you're writing something, you don't really need to remember the complete word. The moment you type something, it suggests you, hey, are you looking for this particular method or this particular class, things like that. Right, so we can just use this particular line to print this particular hello world string. Well, now how to run this? It's as simple as clicking this button. So if you notice, we have a button here which is run mobile.java. all right, let's do that. If you notice, it is asking us to run mobile.java, and if you notice at the bottom of this Eclipse IDE we have something called console, and this is where it is actually printing here. So if you just change it to something like this, and if you run this once again, look at that. So this is basically your console here to see the console output of your applications. Right, so that's pretty good. We have even seen how to build your first program using Eclipse IDE, and that's great. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.